Welcome friends to another session of Inclusive Cloud Neo. Today we are going to learn a few new features in the sales order section. This primarily revolves around cancelling of sales orders in bulk, how you can convert a sales order to a purchase order, and sales orders with product name. So without wasting much time, let us get into the application. Once you get into Inclusive Cloud, you can go to sales orders, and inside sales orders, now you've got a few new options under the triple dots. One of them is cancel orders in bulk. So this primarily helps you to cancel any open sales orders which have been getting accumulated over a period of time. Now you can do this in two ways. One is a custom upload where you can do a get details and select a date range from which you want to receive orders. So for example, I want to receive all my orders which are open from the 1st of April to maybe the 30th of September. I want to get all my orders and I can get all these orders in Excel. And if I want to cancel all of them, then all I need to do is just review it. I've got here the customer name, the order quantity, the collection, and the serial number. So the product name, the collection, and the serial number are all there. You can just upload this file from the choose file option out here and cancel all those orders. You can also have it date based. That is, you can say that, okay, I want to cancel all my orders before September 30th and give a remark and submit it. And all your orders, so you don't need to do a download and upload of the cancel orders. You can directly cancel all your orders. Another great feature that you have now is converting sales orders to purchase orders. So in case you are basically having products which you are selling but not keeping a stock of, then the moment the sale order comes to you, you can convert it to a purchase order. You can go into the SO to PO menu and you can select any date range for which you want to do this. You'll get all these items which have been punched in as sales orders in your system. You click on the order number, you'll get the order details. Now, the moment you click on a particular item, then all the items of that vendor will only be open. So say, for example, all-in-one vendor. So only all-in-one vendor related items will be open. I can create this as a single PO or I can create multiple POs for each sales order. Now, I'm just here going to proceed with a single PO for multiple sales orders and I can click on proceed. All of these items get added to one single purchase order. Now, if you notice, the quantities get totaled up. So for these three orders, there was a total quantity which was totaling to 17 meters. In the reference number, all the respective sales orders will get inserted. And here you can just click on create and you would be able to create a new purchase order. Now, this is especially helpful where you are not keeping stocks and you need to punch only the quantity that you received in sales orders as purchase orders. Last but not the least, you have now a new sales ordering system wherein you can do a sales order with only the product name. So say, for example, I select my customer and I can do a product name based search. So say, for example, I want Adobe 11 Brown. I can put in 12 meters of this and I can add. Or here, the pricing is not given. So you can ideally put the pricing also as you go along. So I've selected another product. Now, the important thing to understand here is you need to know what product that you want to search because you have to enter the first 4 characters of the product. But this is especially helpful where you have big collections with a single product. So say, for example, you are dealing with 500 or 700 items in a particular collection, then you don't need to go by collection and serial number. If you know the product name, you can directly punch in the product name and enter your order. So this is a new feature that we've introduced in Inclusive Cloud. I hope this session was helpful. Keep learning with Inclusive Cloud.